I'm Emily.
And I'm Kata with another Sunnyside Toyota community event announcement.
Did you know the Cleveland Animal Protective League currently has 431 cats and 154 dogs waiting for their forever home? And that over 15,000 animals need the help of the APL every year?
Here at Sunnyside Toyota, we care about our four-legged friends.
That's why the Cleveland APL will be at Sunnyside Toyota Sunday, June 12th from noon to 3:30, so we can find them a perfect human.
If you're not in a position to adopt, you can still help by doing one of the following.
Stop into our showroom to drop off new or gently used blankets, towels, or cat and dog toys.
Or make a monetary donation in person or at sunnysidetoyota.com, and Sunnyside Toyota will match all donations.
You can also share our event on Facebook or invite your pet-loving friends and family to stop in and make a difference.
As a special thank you, everyone who stops by will be entered into our free drawing to win one of 3 prizes, including a $150 PetSmart gift card.
Or one of 2 wash and wax services for your vehicle.
We could all use that.
See you there!